opening a discussion space in the field of maritime. Today, Friday, August 23, 2024, Marine Engineering Department of ITS is once again holding a guest lecture session collaborating with Professor Akira Sou from Kobe University, Japan. Curious about how the event went? With me, Chandani Aura, here is the news. As evidence of expanding the scope of knowledge, Department of Marine Engineering ITS organized a guest lecture held at the BG Munafo, Faculty of Marine Technology. Presenting a great professor from Kobe University, Japan, Professor Akira Sou is an expertise in fuel injection technology of marine engines. This guest lecture was attended by ITS lecturers from the Department of Marine Engineering and Mechanical Engineering and was open to all ITS students. This activity serves as a forum for discussion and provides students with insight disseminated through research findings in the maritime field.
To have a better technology will make the people, we believe, can make the people happy. So our goal of our research is to design new engines for the marine ship, which can be utilized for the future. Also, we need to solve the global warming, so we want to keep on working on that. Thank you very much.
Bringing the topic of recent technology development for marine engines, which focuses on fuel injection and future fuels, Professor Akira Sou provides a general explanation about innovation in marine diesel fuel injection. He described the technology involving two output nozzles, with results from variation in speed directly proportional to the pressure applied.
And also, we hope that in the future, we have new collaborations from some professors in ITS, especially from the Department of Marine Engineering, and some professors in Kobe University.
There were 6 key conclusions from this guest lecture. One of them is that wall cavitation can be predicted by using a modified cavitation number, which aids in designing clean diesel engines. And there are several methods that can be used for future fuels, which make it easier for us to develop zero-emission engines. With this guest lecture, it is hoped that participants will gain a better understanding of the perspective on fuel injection and future fuels. From Naval Architecture Department of ITS, I'm Chandani Aura and Aiman Ahmad as the camera person, reported.